Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the server and inviting Yunite. First, confirm you have managed server or equivalent. Without that, you cannot finish setup. Next, generate the invite link with bot and applications. Command scopes and enable the Intense Yunite requires presence in server members when features need them. Once invited, place the bot in a staff or admin channel so initial permissions are visible. Make sure to restrict channels later. For now, focus on getting the bot online and visible to you. Once Yunite is present, run the setup command the bot provides and follow the interactive prompts. You assign staff roles, log channels, and welcome channels during this flow. Then configure core features like auto-moderation, leveling, and welcome messages by mapping them to the correct text channels and roles. Make sure to test each feature with a test account or a trusted member. If something behaves oddly, reopen the setup and confirm the exact role ID and channel permissions. Small mismatch. To finish, audit permission overwrites and ensure Yunite's role sits above roles it must manage. This resolves most control issues. Next, tailor enabled modules to your community. Disable unused features to reduce noise and refine settings for timers, XP, and moderation thresholds. Finally, run a suite of tests: welcome flow, mod logs, and role assignment. If things go wrong, check the bot's online status, confirm gateway intents are enabled, and review any error logs the bot exposes. That single check often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.